I'll guide you through the process of animating your images in CapCut on your mobile device. Whether you want to add a zoom-in effect, a zoom-out effect, or any other movement to your images, just follow along with me step by step. Let's get started. Open your CapCut app and import the images you'd like to work with. Once they're in your timeline, tap on the first image to select it. To add movement, we'll utilize keyframes. First, navigate to the beginning of the image timeline. Then, tap on the position options to reveal the keyframe icon. Tap on the icon to add a keyframe at the starting point of our animation. Next, move to the end of the image timeline. Now tap and drag the image within the preview window to adjust its position. This action will automatically add a keyframe to the position option. Once you've set your keyframes, play back the video to see the movement applied to your image. You'll notice the dynamic effect we've created. Repeat these steps for any additional images you'd like to animate. CapCut's intuitive interface makes it easy to bring your images to life with just a few simple steps. That's it. With CapCut, you can easily add movement to your images and create engaging videos right from your mobile device. Happy editing!